be a loud person.
Mamma mia!
Kobayashi, is your hangover making your head hurt?
Yeah, I can't believe I feel like this on my day off.
The noises sound like they're coming from both neighbors and above. Would you like me to speak with them about it?
So the objective, if I'm understanding it correctly, is...
Make sure your horns don't stick out, though.
Sure, no problem. And if they refuse to listen to me, I'll just murder, dismember, and pulverize them.
Seems excessive.
I'll start with Miss Sasaki Bay on our right.
Coming! Oh, you're from next door.
I'm Toru. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Did you need something?
Well, we've been hearing some really loud noises, so I decided to come check it out.
I didn't realize I was that loud.
What are you doing, pillaging?
Just cooking.
Huh?
Ain't nobody got time for that!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Here, allow me to share some. Stewed rapeseed blossoms.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Sure.
Now for Mr. Yana on the left side.
What? I'm playing music.
Playing music?
Yeah. Wanna listen?
Are you the god of the underworld? Because you sound like Hades crushing Hercules.
Best compliment ever. Rock on.
Anyways, please try to keep the volume down.
You're the loud one.
No, I'm pretty sure that's you.
Or it's you both!
This from the guy who has to be the loudest in the room?
What's going on out here?
His drilling is way too loud!
The death metal's too loud!
That creepy noise is too loud.
All I'm doing is cooking!
At the moment, all three of you are too loud.
Eventually...
We're sorry, Toru.
Why do humans always make the same mistakes over and over?
Excuse me. If I could have a word, please. What? The problem we're all having is that everyone else manages to be loud precisely when we'd rather things to be quiet. So why don't we organize all the times we don't want to have a bunch of noise driving us insane and plan around it? We'll make a schedule out of our noise preferences. Earplug.
Oh, fucking cunt! I hate you!